Hello everyone, welcome to you in Aptise IT Solution. Today I will describe about data types in Python. What is data types? A data types is a classification of data item and it represents a kind of value that tells what operation can be performed on a particular data. डेटा टाइप्स क्या होता है? क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डेटा होता है. इट मीन्स जो हमारे डेटा रहते हैं उनको जो है तरह तरह की कैटेगरियों में क्लासिफाइड किया जाता है और किस डेटा के साथ कौन सा ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया जाए वो डेटा टाइप्स पे डिपेंड करता है. सो हियर इज सम फॉलोइंग डेटा टाइप्स that will be described with the help of example. In the also we can say that in the Python data types are बुल्ट इन डिफ़ॉल्ट. इट मीन्स डेटा टाइप जो होता है वह डिफ़ॉल्ट में बुल्ट होता है, बना रहता है उसमें. और हमको क्या है, वेरिएबल के साथ न तो इसको मतलब डिक्लेयर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है कि कौन सा डेटा टाइप या कौन सा वेरिएबल किस टाइप का डेटा स्टोर करेगा. सपोज दिस लाइक इंट, फ्लोट, इस तरह से कोई हमें वहाँ पे डिक्लेयर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. सो हियर आई विल गिव यू सम एग्जांपल टू डिस्क्राइब द डेटा टाइप्स. Take a new file and save this data type. Here first point is numeric data types. Numeric data type. In numeric data types, here are three categories: int, float and complex. To describe the above category, here we take some examples. Suppose that a equal to 100 and print a and print type a. Here a equal to 100 is there something value stored in this variable and print the value of a and here print the type of a. It means यह डेटा किस टाइप का है, इंटीजर है कि फ्लोट है कि क्या है. तो ये जो है हमारा जो प्रिंट टाइप क्या है वो हमें यह बताएगा कि ये किस टाइप का डेटा है. बिकॉज इन पाइथन हमारा जो डेटा टाइप्स होता है वह डिफ़ॉल्ट में बुल्ट होता है. So here run this program and here is we get a 100 and type int. It means this data types is a int data types, integer data types. And take a next example. Suppose that here we take a decimal value 100.50. Then what we will get? Run. This is float, मतलब data, this data types is a float data types. And if I will take 100 j is represent here complex data types. It means run to this program and here we will get a complex data types. So this is the example of numeric data types to describe the int, float and complex. And the second one is text data type. For example, str. If we can take example a equal to, suppose that Kamal and print this value a and print type a. Here is a variable equal to Kamal and print a and print type a. So what type of data here? And run to check this. Here is str, means this is the text type or string type data in variable. So this is the text data types, and provided in category str. And second example is sequence type. Sequence data types. Sequence data type. In sequence data type, here is some category list, comma, tuple. To describe this category, we will take example. Suppose a equal to, in bracket, Kamal, Mohan, Ratnesh, and print this a print type a. So I will get here a Kamal, Mohan, and a Ratnesh in behalf of type list. It means this is the example of list data types or sequence type list. And a second example, suppose that here we will take a small bracket and run again, and here we will get tuples. So this is the tuple type data types stored in this variable. And also we take a next point, mapping type. Mapping type data. To describe this type of data, suppose that x equal to, in bracket curly brace, suppose that here red, black, sorry, suppose that here name colon Kamal and comma, next salary colon 40,000, and print here value of x and print type x and check this. Here a salary 40,000 and the name Kamals and the type is ticked. It means this is type of category dict. This is the mapping type of data categorized by dict. So this is the example of mapping type of data. And the next example, set type. For example, in set types, here suppose that set comma frozen set. Here are two categories in the set type, set and frozen set. To describe this, take example. Suppose that x equal to, in curly brace, suppose that red, white, blue, and print this x, print type of x, type x, and run again. Here we will get a set type of data, and so this is the type of set type of data. And also, if we again write frozen set in brackets, this example, and run again it. So here I got a frozen set, and so this is describe this frozen type of data store in this variable. And then take a next point, boolean type, yes, category bool type of data. Take an example, suppose that a equal to true, and print a, print type a, इट मीन्स किस टाइप का ये डेटा है, ये हमारा टाइप डिसाइड करेगा. एंड नाउ रन एंड चेक अगेन. ओके, हियर आई गॉट ए ट्रू and a type bool. It means this is value is type bool. So here is description of data types in this example, and